When you're traveling, if you want a set of luggage that matches, that is hard shell, won't be damaged, and is all inclusive and packs well and stores well, this is the set that you need. Take a look at this first look of GettBetter luggage set with 4 pieces with spinner wheels. This really unique set comes in 5 colors. This is the apricot white, which is beautiful. Now look, as we open each piece, they fit within each other for easy storage, and it is so nice. I love the hard shell surface. They are very well packed, so if you're giving these as a gift or for yourself, they come very well packaged and you will not have any scratches. They have telescoping handles. They have TSA security locks that you can set a 3-digit code for yourself. And look at this. There's 4 pieces. Each piece has 360-degree spinner wheels, and look how nice this size is. The TSA overhead piece is very nice, and they have side handles and top handles in addition to telescoping handles. And the 4th piece on the inside is really nice. Each one has a suit piece to hold clothing together, and look at the great variety you have here. I love this little hard shell cosmetic case or electronics piece. I think I might put my iPad and my electronics in here. There is a section here for anything that might have liquid, so you can keep it separate. That's also very handy, and I like the handles. It also has a strap to fit on the handles. You will love the variety that you have in here. You could pack everything that you need all in this one set for a long trip, or you can use the pieces individually. This was provided for my honest opinion, and I love the fact that they fit inside themselves. The PC hard shell is very tamper resistant, as well as this 3-digit TSA lock. Helps keep your materials secure. There is a 14-inch, 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch, complete with TSA compliance.